I got this baster, I would just make do with whatever I had, like a spoon to try to baste my meats or anything I was roasting. And then I finally got this baster, and I cannot tell you how much I wish I had bought it sooner. It is such a useful tool. When I finally decided to get a baster, I spent a lot of time researching which one was the best to get. And I went for this one because of its high quality materials. I love the silicone top and the stainless steel piece as well. So let me show you how well it works. So I'm just going to use a cup of water to show this, and it will suck up an impressive amount of that water. Squeeze the top, stick it in, and just let go and it sucks up, and put it in the other cup. You can see that it will still drip. It is just a baster, but that is a remarkable amount that pulls into the silicone top right here. And when you're ready to clean it, it's also very easy to clean. It just comes right apart. Here's the silicone top, and here's the stainless steel piece. I can put them both in my dishwasher, and it works beautifully every time. I cannot recommend it enough.